Due to their compact housing design, the G20 motor control modules from Pepperl+Fuchs can be installed directly in the mounting rail of a roller conveyor. The flat cables for power and communication are simply snapped into place without the need for tools in the final installation step using piercing technology. All required sensor and actuator cables are integrated directly into the module. The fixing holes on the side allow tool-free clip mounting. Alternatively, the modules can also be screwed in place. The G20 modules are also compatible with most standard motorized drive rollers and are available with various protocols. The sophisticated housing concept allows time-saving pre-assembly of individual conveyor segments. These can be easily assembled at their destination, and the flat cables can be swung in without tools in the final step.